Good afternoon, everybody. This afternoon, I'm going to demonstrate the progressive muscle relaxation technique. It is a relaxation technique that can be used with a variety of clients that we will see throughout our careers. It can be used with clients that are suffering from extreme stress, anxiety, those suffering from insomnia, or even patients in a medical setting dealing with chronic pain. This technique was introduced in the 1930s by Edmund Jackson. He believed that mental calmness was the direct result of the body's state of relaxation. Typically, this method takes 10 to 20 minutes per day to achieve maximum relaxation, but I am probably going to have to go through it a little bit quicker, just because of the allotted time that we have to do our technique demonstration. So I do apologize, but I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you are able to find a little bit of relaxation today. So let's get started. Allow your attention to focus only on your body. If you find your mind wandering, bring it back to the muscle that we are working on. Take a deep breath through your abdomen and exhale slowly. As you breathe, notice your stomach rising and your lungs filling with air. As you exhale, imagine the tension in your body being released and flowing out of your body. And again, inhale and exhale, feeling your body already relaxing. Tighten your muscles in your forehead by raising your eyebrows as high as you can. And abruptly release them for me and let the tension fall away. Now smile widely, feeling your mouth and cheeks tense. Holding this for a few seconds. And release. And feel the softness in your face. Next, tighten your eye muscles by squinting your eyelids tightly shut. And release. Gently pull your head back as if looking at the ceiling. And release. And feel that tension melt away. Now feel the weight of your relaxed head and neck sink. Breathe in. Breathe out. In and out. Let go of all the stress. In and out. Now tightly, but without straining, clench your fists until I say stop. Okay, stop. Now flex your biceps. Feel that buildup of tension. You may visualize your muscles tightening. And release as you feel that limpness in your muscles. Breathe in and out. Now tighten your triceps by extending your arms out and locking your elbows. And release. Now lift your shoulders up, as if you could touch your ears. And quickly release, feeling that heaviness release. Tense your upper back by pulling your shoulders back, trying to make your shoulder blades touch. And release. Tighten your chest by taking a deep breath in and exhale, blowing out all of the tension. Now tighten the muscles in your stomach by sucking in and release. Gently arch your lower back and relax. Feel the limpness in your upper body, letting go of all the tension and stress. And relax. Tighten your buttocks. Release. Imagine your hips falling loose. Tighten your thighs by pressing your knees together as if you were holding a penny between them. And release. Now flex your feet, pulling your toes towards you and feeling the tension in your calves. And relax. Feel the weight of your legs sinking down. Curl your toes under your tensing feet and release. Now imagine a wave of relaxation slowly spreading through your body, beginning at your head and going all the way down to your feet. Feel the weight of your relaxed body. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Well, with that, everybody, I hope that you are feeling a little bit more relaxed. I hope that this has brought you a little bit of calmness to your day. So I hope that you are able to enjoy it. I will include a guided YouTube video for you if you would like to use this on your own, and I will also include the script. So I hope that you have a very calm and relaxed day, and thanks for watching.